Okay, I'm back for part 2 of the lesson. I didn't get all the way down to question 6 and 7, which is actually good because we're doing something different with question 6 and question 7. Question number 6 says, what kind of student is Percy? Use evidence from the text to support your response. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change to blue. I want you to start these with what's called an echo. An echo is when you use part of the question in your response. So you could say something like, Percy is a blank kind of student. Now, what you can do is you can go back and fill in this blank with a word of your own that fits the situation. So you could just put in a word there. Right now, I'm just going to put in a blank. But you have to delete that blank and then fill in a word. And then what you need to do is go find evidence in the text. So this is where you need your book. You actually go into the text and use words from the text to help you support your answer. And you can copy, but there's a way to copy. So you would say on page, and then whatever, like you got to put the page number instead of those blanks. It states. Then you put a comma, then you put a space, and then you put a quotation mark. Then you can copy the text from the book, something that supports whatever kind of student you feel Percy is. But it's got to be copied word for word. If you put it inside of quotation marks, it's got to be copied word for word from the text. Spell everything exactly. You don't take out words, don't add words. It's got to be exactly like the text. All right? And you then at the end, so you type your words, and then at the end, you put the quotation marks again. You put quotation marks around at the end. So I'm going to leave that just like that. And then it looks like I need to move question 7 down to the next page. It says, why is Grover bullied by other students? Use evidence from the text to support your response. I'll help you out again here. Let's start out in blue. I think I chose the wrong blue. I like the darker blue in this instance. Okay, you would start with an echo. Grover is bullied by other students because, and then you would finish the answer in your words. You would put it in your words after you're done. So I'm going to put some blanks there. It's going to be longer than that blank. I'm just putting it in there so you know that you have to erase that before you go on. Then you're going to start your next sentence with on page blank, and you put the page number in. It states, comma, quotation mark. That is how you are going to answer these questions. Again, you've got to copy exactly from the text the way it is. Work together in your group. Do the best you can. It's hard sometimes when I'm not here and you're trying to figure things out on your own. We are going to spend a ton of time on ease. So any mistake you make, we will easily fix and get you pointed in the right direction. Now, you might not get done this. If you don't feel pressured. We will work on this again tomorrow when I get back. All right? Good job.